Welcome to the kitchen again, you guys. So today, you guys, what we have today is we're gonna get together and make us some delicious fish sandwiches. You guys, we're gonna make us some whiting fish sandwiches, and we're gonna also make some catfish sandwiches. Now, if you're not familiar with what I'm using, you can always refer over to the other fish video that I have. But we're pan frying this. We're not deep frying. That video consists of deep frying. So yes, we have that. Excuse me, guys, I'm washing my hands. And yeah, so that's what we have on the menu today. How is everybody doing today? Good. Now over here, I'm going to toast my bread. I don't know if my daughter wants hers toasted, but we're going to toast it. And what bread we're using today is we're using some seeded buns, you guys. We're going to use some seeded buns. They're the jumbo sesame seed hamburger buns. That's what I'm going with. And I'm just going to slightly toast mine for my sandwich. I'm using an imperial spread as well. It's the weekend and I just wanted some good old fish my way. And yes, so that's what we're having today. Let's check on these buns. Oh my goodness, you guys, look how golden this fish looks. It looks so delicious. I was in the mood for something quick and simple, but yet I had that fish taste. And what's better than a homemade fish sandwich? An old school sandwich. This was way back when. Let's clean up our station. Let me get these over here. Because we will be assembling our fish together in a minute. Okay guys, so now we're at this point where I am about to assemble, you know what I'm saying. Okay, so yeah, we got mine, which is catfish. You guys look at there. And we have my daughter's. Okay. And we have Carter's. Let's get him a big piece. Okay. So we're gonna add us some lettuce. Just look at there. I should have put some hot sauce on mine first, but that's okay. It can go on the lettuce. Carter does not prefer anything on his other than the cheese, you guys. And my daughter does not prefer tomatoes. So, yeah, they're going to mine. And we're going to put up some hot sauce on here. And this is my daughter, which she's going to have the tartar sauce. Okay? So, that will complete this video, you guys. And I appreciate all the viewers. Thank you. If you're not part of the fam, please hit the subscribe and come join your girl. And make sure to leave a comment below so I know where to go, you guys. But I am going to send much love from my house to yours. Goodbye.